humbly and strongly call and add our voice to others before now for our common president and commander-in-chief of the armed forces to consider a political solution for an unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this will definitely put a stop to unwanted killings on Mondays. We are aware of prominent leaders who had made the same appeal, namely Chukwudi Clark, Iheanaetu, Pa Adebanjo, Ndigbo is good, all late. Southeast Traditional Rulers Council publication dated 20th January 2025. Members at the meeting noted with dismay and strongly believe also that the Southeast Traditional Rulers Council was definitely misdirected and misinformed as to come up with a name to be answered. By Ndigbo Diaspora. It is expected that every action of position to be taken now must be unite and bring peace to the region and not destroying the fragile peace. This meeting hold the leadership like the previous ones in a high esteem, and therefore strongly suggest that they go back to the drawing board and do what is right. We do not intend to take through the historical context and the previous interventions regarding the name change, because we strongly believe you know it all and request we avoid heating up the politics. Let's work together to bring Southeast to ease a viable position of peaceful religion and nothing more. Drop your generated name of Ndigbo. We remain the Ndigbo as contained in our constitution as a supposed new name would not yield the desired reform. Please note that your predecessors worked with us peacefully, namely Royal Majesty Eze Bereshidik from Abia, when he was the chairman of Southeast Traditional Rulers Council, Eze Agubuzo, and so on and so forth. And they supported us. Some visited and participated at our events. Again, Ambassador Ralph Uweche and Engineer Iheanaetu for Iheanaetu, late President General for Iheanaetu Worldwide, gave us solid support to this cause and wonder why the sudden estranged relationship. A great percentage of Indians at home have great support to our existence. Together we can create a future that honors our collective identity and enhance the well-being of Ndigbo. God bless Nigeria. God bless the Association of Ndigbo and Diaspora. God bless the Igbo nation. There's a plan. Sign.
This Planet on television is reporting from Villa Pankota, It's happening now. The session of there's Ndigbo in Diaspora addressing the nation. This Planet reporting.
And the Ndigbo Kanu, immediate past president of the Association of Ndigbo and Diaspora. Thank you very much. Can you clap?